McDonald chicken. Against which are this many plots of coral over here. There's no chicken.
If you're here and you are watching, thank you. It genuinely means the world to us. You gave us your time, you showed up, and that means everything. So far, 17.4% of you have subscribed to this channel, and we are so grateful for that. You've already made this journey better than we imagined. But there are still 82.6% of you watching who haven't subscribed yet. If that's you, we would love to have you on board. Our goal is to convert 60% viewers to subscribers so we can grow this channel, improve every video, and reach more people across Africa. We promise to keep you updated each month so you can see how far we've come. Subscribe.
Hello, welcome to another interesting video of Mike.k. Today I'm at the McDonald community. As you can see, McDonald community is very big. There are so many plots of lands at this end, and this land that you're seeing is under the government of Sierra Leone right now, because there was an issue around this end, so the government had to intervene and uphold the land for the meantime. It's a very big piece of land, as you can see. And now I'm trying to go to the main street, but when going you can see there are houses, schools around the community. It's very big, just like I said, as you can see. McDonald community is located at the Peninsula Road, Waterloo Peninsula Road. At this end you can't see any houses because all this area is the land that I told you about, so there's no houses around this vicinity. The houses are down the area, and I'm heading towards that part, as you can see. I'm still heading down, as you can see. It's a bit far. you can see this area is very swampy. You can see waters coming off the roads, you know. Now you can see houses along the way. That means we are now reaching the end of the big plots of lands that the government owns at this end. This area they call it grass field. McDonald grass field. Just see how far I've come now. McDonald grass field. You can see there are a lot of grasses here. You can see houses now that people live in.
Look at.
And you can see across over there is a school, and also these windows you're seeing, it's a school building. You can see at this point the grass are very tall, you know. can see over here are plantations, potato leaf, cassava leaves, sugarcane sticks, so you can see. And over here is a garage. You can see the cars that parked at both sides. You can see the garage. At this end there is no light, it's only solar, the solar system, because the EDSA are still putting on poles to reach at this community, but there is no light here. It's only solar system that is available here. You can see where is a field where normally they do sports, play match and other stuff. And that building you're seeing over there is a school, and this is their canteen, their mini canteen. You can see today is Saturday, so there's no school over there. Still heading down to find the main street. That main street is the way that leads to the peninsula. You can use that way, go to care number 2 sector.
Take a photo of words you want to understand.
You can see the houses. Honestly, the unfinished building at this country is very plenty, you know. You can see this other unfinished building. This one. You can see this also is another unfinished building. They are trying to arrange, and now close to the main street. can see the houses, beautiful trees around here. I'm almost now close to the main street. Over here is a health center, as you can see. It's a health center. After a short tour around the McDonald community, McDonald Grassfield community. This will be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching Mike.k. See you on our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. As you can see, this way leads to Waterloo to Market, and if you use the other lane, leads to the Peninsula.